Hello friends, and welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. I've heard from a number of sources that this is one of the most powerful candlestick patterns. I'm going to let you decide for yourself. Remember that none of these candlestick patterns and nothing that I tell you works 100% of the time. They don't work all the time. You want to use other signals, you want to use confirmation, and you want to use your own common sense and make your own decisions. And before I get started, just want to let you know that I do offer coaching for trading and for investing, and I can help you if you want to put together your own trading or investing plan, because you really need to have a plan, otherwise you don't know what you're doing. And if you are interested in the coaching, you can email me at davidmodell@gmail.com. All right, the bullish and bearish kicker candlestick patterns. You got your bullish kicker and your bearish kicker. These are reversal patterns. Let's look at the bullish kicker first. That is a red candle. Okay, at the end of a downtrend. We'll pretend that these are candlesticks. Okay, it's at the end of a downtrend, followed by a green candle, big green candle with a large body. I'm not as concerned with the wicks or shadows as with the large body. That shows real conviction and a possible reversal. Supposed to be powerful. That's what people have said. That this is one of the more powerful patterns. And interestingly, it's really just a two candlestick pattern, but what precedes, what comes before those two candlesticks is important as well. It's not a bullish kicker symbol unless it's at the end of a downtrend. And then you've got the bearish version of that, the bearish kicker symbol. A green candle at the end of an uptrend. We're going to pretend these are green candles, okay? Followed by a big red candle, big large body. Not as concerned with the wicks or shadows as the big large body. And that shows conviction to the downside, whereas this green candle shows conviction to the upside. Now, there doesn't necessarily need to be a gap up or gap down. Okay, so like this green candle wouldn't have to be way up here necessarily. But a gap, especially a big gap, can make it a more powerful reversal signal. So if there's if this green candle started way up here, that would be really powerful. If that red candle started way down here, that would be even more powerful, possibly. All right, and we'll show you some examples with gaps to show you what that looks like. All right, here's a bullish kicker. Notice that not only was the reversal candle, sizable, the body, big body, but also there's a gap there. All right, they gapped up. And again, the wicks aren't that important. You hardly see any wicks here. All right, and here's a bearish kicker with a sizable gap there. That's just an example. All right, could make it even more powerful. All right, and the size of the body is also an indicator of the reversal candle. That could make it more powerful as well. The size of the gap and the size of the body. And also, I'll just give you a really quick example of a bullish kicker pattern. You've got a downtrend. Downtrend doesn't mean that every single candlestick is red. Okay, you got green or white ones in there as well. Just the overall trend. Okay, and then you got this candle over here. It doesn't really matter as much how large the body of this candle would be. We're looking at the body of the reversal candle. The bullish kicker would be these two. It's a two candlestick pattern here, really. But again, that downtrend that precedes it is important. And you got a gap up and a big body there, and it just kept going. Very nice. So you get the idea there, hopefully. Okay, so this was a quick introduction to the kicker pattern. What do you guys think, guys and gals? Do you think this is powerful? Leave a comment below. Has this worked for you? I recommend testing it out with virtual or demo or paper trading, as they used to call it back in the day when it was on paper. Now it's called virtual or demo trading. Find out using pretend money before you commit real capital to anything. And certainly to these patterns, all right? And if you like this video, if you found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up on YouTube, and that lets me know that you like these kinds of videos and want more of them. Also, speaking of getting more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done it already, and hit that notification bell on YouTube so you can receive updates from YouTube to let you know whenever I put out new videos like this one. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. I'll talk to you again soon.